Service. I am from Mechanical Engineering second year. Subject name Industrial Management. Subject code 23MEC. Quantitative methods. Introduction to quantitative methods. Quantitative methods of scientific and empirical approaches to analyzing numerical data. These methods strategies in making informed decision based on scientific analysis. They are widely analyzed across various fields such as social science, business, and healthcare. Importance of quantitative methods. Quantitative methods provide objects management that can be replaced. The fatalities of a innovation of relationship between various using statistical techniques. These methods support hypothesis testing, allowing research to validate theories. Type of quantitative research. Descriptive search focuses on summarizing data pattern. Research occurs relation between two or more variables. Experimental research involves populating variables to determine causes and relationship. Data collection techniques. Surveying are common method for gathering quantitative data from the population. Experiments involve controlled convention of a testing hypothesis and gathered data. Observation studies systematical observe object without influence. Sampling methods. Random sampling ensures each member of a population has a equal challenges of the section. Strategizing summary divisions the population into a subgroup to ensure representation. Comprehensive sampling using the variable object with a bias. Statistical analysis of an overview. Statistical analysis overview summarizing and interpreting quantitative data. Special training of provided to ensure a man of median of mode. Influence statistics allow research make a prediction of a generalization about a population. Descriptive statistics. Measure of central tendency. Summarize data point into a signal representative value. Measure of variability such as range and standard deviation. Includes data separated. Visualization tool like a histogram and box that help the data influential statistics. Influential statistics draw conversion about population based on sample data. Hypothesis testing value measurement using a p-value of a consistency interviews. Regression analysis identify relationship and predicts outcomes between variables. Significance of testing. Significance testing allows whether an effective study is meaningful. It involves null hypothesis and determining a p-value. The p-value less than predetermined G of capital V2 created null hypothesis. Limitations of quantity methods. Quantity methods may be overlooked factors that quality methods face. Numerical data can lead to oversimplifying conclusion, sampling errors, and business of significant effect the evaluate of a result. Applications of quantity methods. In business of a quantity methods using a market analyzing and forecasting. In healthcare and axis of effective treat and innovations. Education of innovation, student performance and program effectiveness. Software tools and quantitative analysis. More advantages of a CAD to the complex data analyzing need. Thank you.